All right. Back again. 9:15. Oh, sorry. I started a little late. 9:16. Forgive me, y'all. Forgive me. Forgive me. Okay. So, we're shit in the bed right now. We just started doing that. I just got on the charts 15 minutes ago. Look at this shit. Fucking fat ass candle. Fucking almost 1% in fucking 15 minutes. It's fucking wild. Anyways, happened at 9 a.m. Back to daily buys. Let's start. Actually, I never look at the weekly. What does the weekly look like? Cool. Doesn't really tell me shit. Except that we're going up. Cool. So, first things first, NASDAQ inverse this gap. And now we're retesting it. We do have this next daily gap up here. We also have these highs here, which is probably going to be like where we're drawing towards next. I'm probably just leaning bullish, honestly. Looks like the same thing's happening here on ES. Looks like ES is getting inverse too. We have these highs above. This here. Boom. Cool. Perfect. So 4 hour on NASDAQ is bullish, just like yesterday. I mean, this is like clear uptrend. This is just like bearish gap, inversion, retrace, bearish gap. It's not inversion, but we did tap it once and now we're tapping it again. Unless we come down and invert this at 10, because look at this news. A lot of news today. So, unemployment, or no, non-farm employment change, red folder. So we got some red folder at 8:15 already. Some more news in between 8:30, 9:15, 9:45, and then we have more red folder PMI at 10. And crude oil 10:30, Trump at 2:30. So there's a lot of shit going on today. We're currently touching this 4 hour gap on NASDAQ. On ES, whoa. We are like holy shit. We are making SMTs. That's crazy. These are like all relative equal highs. That's insane. Like, damn. Okay, hold on. Because NASDAQ is busting through this shit and retested. Like, NASDAQ broke through these highs and then retested on the 4 hour to a gap and dojied all the way back up. But ES is just kind of staying under these highs and staying in this range. Kind of just like it's making lower highs and it's making higher lows. So it's like pyramiding into this kind of cone shape, which is I wouldn't say that's necessarily ideal. As far as gaps though, we do have this daily gap under us that we've been rejecting off of here, as well as like this inverse daily gap we just inversed. So we're also retracing to the inverse as well as retracing to this fair value gap. So I think it's fairly confident. I mean, I feel like we're just bullish. Like I feel like this is just a bullish setup. This might not be like let's not trick ourselves and think too hard about it and get out of a, I feel like this is just bullish price action. Let's zoom in though. Let's see what's going on. We're gonna need to like definitely see what happens off the open just because we had this big dump here. So we're gonna need to see if we respect this 4 hour gap. If we respect it. Oh, sorry about the yawning, guys. Yeah, sorry. Fucking left this Celsius half frozen in the freezer. So once that starts melting, I'll be able to get some caffeine in my system. But let's see, looks like we didn't take out these either. I think these might be our draws on liquidity for today. Because, I don't know, it's just like if we were going to go lower, we would have gone lower here. We wouldn't be like chopping around so much, you know? We're definitely looking to go higher. Even ES. But obviously, I'm not going to take a trade on both at the same time. If I'm looking to take a trade, I'm going to look to take a trade on NQ. Yeah, because these are insane. Even though technically they are SMTs. Because what, 8 a.m., 10 a.m., so look. Yeah, 10 a.m., 8 a.m. is lower than 10 a.m. on NASDAQ. 8 a.m. is higher than 10 a.m. That's it. Most of all this shit in the middle that's higher than it, which on ES it's not. Fucking idiot. Idiot ES. And this shit's all the way down here, so. We're pretty much just going up on NASDAQ. This is the 4 hour. Like, ES just has a big ass daily gap. So does NQ though. Like, right? Well, the daily gap for NQ is down here. And I doubt we'll come all the way down here on NASDAQ. Because we're already selling off hard. Yeah. Put day here. It's a daily gap. Just in case, like, I'll put it down there. Even though I don't think we're coming down this low at all, but you know, wouldn't hurt. Wouldn't hurt. Yes, there's a 1 hour gap here. Hourly. What time is it? 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes till market open. There's an hourly gap here too. We'll see if it gets respected. Okay, 1 hour. Because I want to be conscious at 10 if we're still going to be holding this bullish structure. Not, oh shit. Talking about speaking language. Nah, check this out. Oh, I need to change the camera angle. This shit's. Oh, wait. Oh, because I never put it back. That's why. There you go. Stay still. Cool. Alright. Yeah, guys. Yesterday was crashing out yesterday just because sometimes sometimes it feels worse to not take a trade than to just take the trade and take a loss, because if I'm able to accept that, hey, my system isn't working out, this and that, like my process, my edge, you know, every once in a while, or you're gonna lose. Like, it's inevitable. You're gonna lose. Not every trade is gonna be a winner. It's okay to accept that, and I'm fine with that. But not taking not one but two trades that I could have, they were both winners, is like, now I'm playing into my win percentage, because that's two more trades to, if we're taking a sample size of 10 trades, that's two trades that would have been winners in there. And now, you never know. What if now the losers are going to be more than the win percentage, whatever. That's how I think sometimes. But sometimes you just got to look at it, instead of thinking about a sample size of 10 trades and I just lost 20%, which is two of them, think about 1,000 trades. I mean, there's no shortage of the market. The market's going to be here every day, dude. I'm not going to take a trade every day either. So the fact that I didn't take a trade, it's not going to kill me, bro. There's going to be days when I'm not on here for weeks. Like, you don't got to check the charts every day. And if you don't check the charts, there could be an A++++ setup. But you don't give a fuck. I don't care. I don't care if there's a million A+ setups, because I'm not, The only thing is we had this big manipulation right off the open, so it's going to be hard. SMT too. Wow, this is a crazy setup. Before we even open up too is kind of crazy. It's lower, right? Yeah, we definitely took it out. Barely. He barely took that joint out. Wow, Wicks. Talking money, speaking language. The bitch trying to pop another pill. I should be patient. Slow it down. Yeah, okay. We're still gonna go. Okay. We're still gonna go lower. All of this is higher, low, higher, low, higher, low, higher, low. So we're gonna sweep all this out, and then we're gonna rotate up or something. I don't know. Or maybe we don't. We shall see. Oh, I gotta mark out my session liquidity. You don't make shit. Oh, perfect. Just lovely. That's just lovely. These are, everything is just resting up here. Just all the liquidity in the world. Is this equal highs? High is 678.25. 678.50. Yeah, 678.25, 678.50. So really relative equal highs. But that's crazy. One tick, literally 0.25 away from both of those, which is fucking equal. I'm gonna we made an SMT at these highs, but we already knew that. Oh, yeah. But after taking out this liquidity, this SMT is something we don't have to worry about, since we got completed down here. All right, cool. Market's open. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, okay, so an S&P is the one that made the lower low on this SMT. So double reason to be looking for an NASDAQ. Imagine Just getting the trade right fucking off market open. The thing is like, I don't really know what well, let me think. Okay, because we have the 4-hour gap below that we're reacting off of. I just need to be careful. I need to be careful. Because we're in this 4-hour gap. We have the high time frame manipulation. Oh, we did get a 1 minute SMT as well. God damn, this would have been a beautiful setup if it wasn't like fucking before 9:30, bro. Why is this shit at 9:15? Fuck. Alright, cool. So 1 minute SMT, now we're reacting up. We put in a 15-minute, a huge ass bearish gap on the 15-minute here. Same thing on ES, I assume. Looks like we're looking to inverse this 5-minute though off the open. Yeah. I would love to just say like, yeah, retrace to 50%. We have this 1 minute SMT and just fucking go long, say fuck it. But I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna wait for us to like inverse something and like drop back down if we do. Or just wait till we have something up here and then set up for a continuation. I've been geeking off the deacon, ain't no coming down. I'm talking money, speaking language. Fuck, I can't waste my time. I can't waste my time doing the post over my lane. Alright. And we're really just chilling, waiting. Laying back. First of all, because this is a heavy sell. But we're not, like, there's not really anything for us to take out lower. Like, if we were going to go lower, we would have gone lower already. Like, there's all these gaps here that we're reacting off of. I feel like there's not really a reason for us to go down. Like, if we're thinking about just price action wise, because we just inversed this gap. We're retracing back to the inverse gap to push us higher. We're reacting. We already reacted off this daily gap here too. Yesterday to push higher. We have these highs above, stack kind of highs above right here. And we also on the lower time frame, if we zoom in more, have these damn near equal highs above, like really relative equal highs with Asian and London highs on NASDAQ. And ES just has equal highs with everything just because of the SMTs. Really, just fucking punch them long now and say fuck it, get the best RR. I'm playing. And we respect the 5 minute. Maybe we're just gonna go down. Yo. I love when I get bread, I let the money sound. I'm just sneaking off the geek and ain't no coming down. I'm talking money, speaking language. The bitch tryna pop another pill, so be patient. Slow it down. Yeah. Oh wait, 5 minute. Oh whoa. Okay, ES made a 5 minute doji. I don't like how that closed. Yeah, ES is pushing above this gap, this 5 minute gap, but NASDAQ ain't. NASDAQ staying right in it with these long ass wicks. And it would make sense for us to take out some of this liquidity down here, I'm not gonna lie. Like sweep out something before going higher. But the thing is, ES is just going higher. ES don't give no fuck about sweeping shit out. Technically, we didn't create an SMT because this is also a lower high. Yeah, because how does this look like on the 4 hour and everything? Like we're respecting on the 1 hour. On the 4 hour right now, we're respecting too. We just came down, took out these lows, made a SMT. I don't really have an entry right now unless I take like a break of structure up here. My draw on liquidity is confident, but I just don't know how fast we're gonna move there. especially with this 15-minute gap up here. Oh shit. I just don't have an entry. Like, there's a lot, like market's fighting up and down here, but I just don't really have that good of an entry. Like, I would have this is an entry off like this SMT and just a push up, which I don't really like. Like, I wouldn't say I like that. I want to see something a little more obvious that we're respecting bullish confluences. SMT at the highs here as well. So SMT at the lows and then SMT at the highs. On the 5-minute, we're still respecting this gap. And respecting this 15-minute as well. It's like, do we have, I mean, no, because this hourly got tapped into. I'm not bearish. There's no targets to the downside, except for like this low over here where we'd have to not only fight through this 4-hour gap that we rejected with this big ass wick, and we're rejecting right now with a big ass wick, we would also have to fight through that, close through it, or start to close through it, and then come all the way down through this hourly gap as well, and then come to the lows. So it's just like, that doesn't really make sense. Some crazy shit happened. Damn, fucking the yawn is getting me today. Everything's red, white, bro. Give me some, like, give me like a fair value gap or something, please, please. Oh my goodness. Oh. I mean, that's pretty. That's SMT at 930 lows is pretty good. But I just need like a 1 minute or like something, a little last minute confluence to send me higher. You know, ain't none of that here. Let me silence my phone. Yeah. Okay, let's not get caught up on the lower time frame. Let's just zoom out. So right now, on both time frames, we're still reacting off this 4-hour. This is how the 4 hours printing. We have 15 minutes left. So let's just watch where this last macro goes for the 15-minute. On the 4-hour, on ES, we literally have this gap right here. This fucking gap right here is literally, we already reacted off of it once, we're holding here. And we have a 1 hour down here, so shit. Nasdaq has a 4 hour here that we respected once and we're respecting again. Let's just go back to whatever I did there. On the 1 hour, of course, we have these 1 hour gaps that we had respected before, previously tapped into, that we're still respecting. Let's not miss anything on the lower time frame, since this shit's obvious, bro. There is a big 15-minute, like a large 15-minute gap above. But we have an SMT at these lows on the higher time frame. On the lower time frame, we have SMT at the lows and at the highs for right now. Damn. I feel like it's gonna go without me. Like, I feel like it's just gonna go without me because there's no entry here, bro. Fuck, like, that's kind of, like, I know, especially after yesterday, like, I'm not gonna FOMO into shit, but fuck, like, this looks mad good. The only thing that's like that prevents me from being like bearish right now would be this 15-minute gap, because there's this 15-minute gap that we tried to come up to already from the first candle and we didn't. Got pushed back down with some SMTs. So I'm just gonna let the market do its thing, especially because we have so much news too. Like, all this fucking news coming out. We just had this final services 45 come out, so we're waiting for the 10 a.m. Let's just, oops. We'll come back to this today. On the 5-minute, we inverse this. Okay, so we inverse this 5-minute. We came back down into it. SMT still? Yep, SMT at this low to that low, this low up here. That means even another 1-minute SMT from this low down to here, and this low up to here. We're back in this 5-minute range. So we have another SMT. If we break above, that's right here. Fuck. The only thing is now the timing. 9:49 isn't like 9:40s, 9:50s isn't really going to be a good time necessarily to get in. But let's see how long it takes for us to show something. Just because now we're SMTing at the lows again. Oh, no, we're not. Okay, wait, hold on. And now these lows are all getting taken out. Okay. Let's see if these lows get held. Oh, no. Okay, so we're pushing out now. So boom. So see this low, so we took out all the other lows. Actually, I'm just gonna draw this shit like this, like I did before. Okay, it's just going back and forth. We cannot come out as 930 low. This one, we are under 939. 939 is under 930. We're under 939, but we're not under 930. shit, I'm looking at ES like it's NASDAQ. I don't want to trade on his NASDAQ anyway. So technically, ES inverse this gap and NASDAQ didn't inverse this gap yet. Jeez, these wicks are insane. Maybe we do just need to wait for 10 a.m. Because it feels like you want to go higher, and everybody knows that. But you need to wait for like a 10 a.m. manipulation. Because look at this 5-minute and look at all these fucking wicks. Holy fuck. Like, that is not bullet. That's not like, yo, hey, I'm going up, my friend. No. I need you to get the fuck out of my face, bro. What's ES doing? Whoa. Okay. Here we go. No more SMTs at the lows. We do have a slight SMT at the highs still. But we're taking out all this liquidity, so we're about to invalidate that, John. Let's see how low we come. Are we gonna come down at 915 lows? Nope. So we took out everything except for 915. They're both in a high time frame gap, so 4 hour or the 1 hour. They have 5 minutes though. Should I take the break of structure here? I really don't know if I should. I don't like break of structure. I don't like break of structure. I feel like I got burned by break of structure too many times just taking a break of structure. We finally opened up like the first fucking like gap fucking ever, bro. There's like 0 gaps here. So I wanna like fucking try and take like a fucking 30-second or some bullshit. But we are putting in a 1 minute fair value gap here. Uh-oh. Looks like, are we gonna come tap this shit? Oh, let me turn this shit red so it's easier to see. We're gonna come tap this shit. If we tap that shit and go up, I'll be in that hoe. Let's see, how much drawdown is this? 236. No tap to the 1 minute. Come on, tap that 1 minute for me. Tap that 1 minute for me. Please. 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 Or like, give me like one last SMT or something. Oh my, please. Oh my god, 2 dojis. Come on, come on. Yes. Okay. Alright, so if we respect this 1 minute gap, I'll be looking for just a bullish candle and then I'm good. Then I'm in. Not gonna lie, I'm in that. Is there more SMTs at the highs? Let me just make sure we're not creating. Oh, no, not right now. Yeah, I mean, I'm looking at the 30-second over here because I can't look at it over here. Only on Trade of 8. Oh wait, you can look at 30-second here. Oh no, you can't. I don't have the fucking super premium. But the 30-second, there was an inversion here. But I'm not gonna like. It's like, I don't know if I want to take a 30-second. I know there's some guys that trade like the ICT shit. They do the 30-second inversions, but that's a little. For me, I'm just like, that's a lot. It's kind of a lot. It's kind of very like, I was already getting caught up and chopped up on the 1 minute. Like, I don't want to get on the 30-second and get fucking dogged. We are not delivering right now. Yeah, let me just wait. I'm waiting because 9:59 entry is insane. Always look at the time because remember accumulation, manipulation, distribution. So we want like this, manipulation down and then distribution up like that. That's what we want ideally. So when you have all this fucking accumulation, this, okay, maybe this was our manipulation, sweeping out all these lows. But then AMD, what does every candle do? Open, low, high, close. That's how the candles form. Or the opposite, open, high, low, close. So that's what we want, is for us to come back down here and manipulate again. But I don't know if we'll get a second manipulation after 10 a.m. But the macro is opening up. Looks like we're just going to leave me behind and push all the way up without me. Or not. Or not. 941. 941. Hello. Hello, we're SMTing the highs. That's interesting. Bro, this liquidity up here is juicy. Y'all don't want this? Y'all don't want this up here? Are we dead ass? We don't want this up here? Holy shit, we don't. No, we gotta want that, bro. Come on. Come on. I know you want that. Yeah, come on. Come on. I know you want it. Ah, come on. actually tested that 1 minute gap down here. Still unfilled. Life wants you, we can bring it on the floor. Never danced like this before. We don't talk about it, dance alone. Do the boogie all night long. Stolen paradise, shouldn't talk about it. Life wants you, we can bring it on the floor. Never danced like this before. We don't talk about it. Alright, well, I think we're just going to leave me behind. Damn, there's a 30-second inversion. That was pretty much that was the entry right there. Damn. Yeah, that's insane. I'm going to keep my head on straight here, though. Damn, I should have took the 30-second inversion. But hey, I mean, if we remember, I mean, like hourly AMD, maybe we're making maybe we're looking to push through this gap or something, bro. I don't know. Like if this 1 hour wasn't filled, or like we did not tap into the 1 hour already, I might target the 1 hour if we're looking to like flip bearish. Because first thing off the hourly, we're pushing up. I mean, we could just push up the whole time, but let's go. Let's get like a little bit of a retrace or something. Like, give me an entry, please. I would actually love an entry. That would be like very sexy of you, NASDAQ. That would be very sexy of you. Like, I'm wondering if this is good enough for me, but the thing is like, I need anything here. Target these. Stop the low here. Ooh, nice. Ooh, nice. Hold on. Let the market do what it do. Let the market do what it do. The hang-ups we had today, we ain't to die for. Get yourself up on your feet. Get yourself up on your scoop dee dee poop. Poop dee dee scoop. Scoop dee whoop dee poop. Poop dee dee whoop scoop. Poop. Poop. Poop diddy scoop. Poop diddy whoop. Poop diddy scoop poop. Okay, cool. So we got a 1 minute here. Doji. Yes. Do we have like 5 minute anything? In 2 minutes when we close, we might have this gap. 15 minute. Looks like we're rejecting, but I think this is just a low time for retrace. On the 3 minute, we have this fair value gap. So we're in a gap on the 3 minute. On the 5 minute, we haven't made anything yet, but we might make this 5 minute gap there. 3 minute, we're tapping into right now. 2 minute, we are inside of right now. 1 minute, we have that bearish gap. The only thing is that if we inverse this right now, where can I put my stop? Like this stop wouldn't be protected. This stop, like I would probably put it down here, just because if we're gonna come all the way down here, then we're not retracing to these highs, which is like my whole thing. Maybe, but like, because. Okay, so we tapped it on this one. We want to inverse this 1 minute fairly fast if we're gonna be in it. But yeah, right now, like this low right here would be our protected low. Just because this was the last one, we did all that manipulation. Doji took out all this. It's very unlikely we're gonna see this wick again. If I end up getting in around somewhere here, put my stop all the way down at this wick. And my TP up here. That's 1 to 1. Okay, so we tapped this 1 minute and went down. Interesting. 2 minute just got placed in the same exact spot just because of that top. This top tick is now the 2 minute. Yeah. Well, so we actually inverse this 1 minute gap right here. Are we actually bearish? I'm not looking to take a short. Fuck no. Fuck no way I ain't looking to take a short, bro. Fuck that. Hell nah. What I'm gonna take a short to? The 4 hour? Nah, bro. Nah. I'm not looking for nothing bearish. 1 minute gap right here. There's no gap there. We don't have any SMTs. The inverse a 2 minute gap here as well. This is bad. Interesting. Just being patient, bro. Honestly, I'm just chilling, being patient. All the setups these days have been a little later in the day anyway, so let's stay diligent. Let's stay on it. Alright, cool. So we're dumping again. Both of them are going down. This is a 5 minute, ain't it? Yeah, so this 5 minute after fighting, we also in first. But the XD clip gonna shoot. I ain't got no jumper. And the AR, my shit dumber. I don't know why I hit the wrong chart for a second. EQ. So we come back. We're in EQ, the 5 minute range on NASDAQ. We're also in a 5 minute fair value gap here. So we have this inverse. This should be red, honestly. I'm gonna turn this shit red. This shit's supposed to be green. Cool. Because this is a red inverse. This is actually a 5 minute gap as well. So now we're back in a 5 minute gap on NASDAQ right now. Let's see if we respect it. We're gonna come down to this 1 minute fucking unfilled 1 minute. I'm dead. That was fucking talking about. Well, we're gonna come all the way back down to this 1 minute. That's mad funny. Yes. We're not making any SMTs right now. That's good, I guess. I mean, ideally you kind of want an SMT, but we have this high time frame SMT, so I'm not really worried about getting a low time frame one. Here we go. 5 minute gets respected. Let's get ready here. What gaps do we have? So on the 3 minute, we're respecting this fair value gap. On the 5 minute, we're respecting a bullish fair value gap. We have a 3 minute inversion ability up here. 2 minute up here. This is why we don't take this 30-second. I would have been shitting myself right now. That's why you don't take a 30-second gap. I would have been shitting bricks right now. Yeah, Doji this one too. 5 minute. We'll see if we keep going. What's ES doing? ES doesn't have that little gap. I need just to hit it like a doom manipulation. Like, show me some manipulation, NASDAQ. Show me some clear manipulation on the guys. Just give me like a 1 minute like big ass Drake, not Drake, but like a little Drake, mini Drake candle here. Boom. Then we're gonna make a little doji, inverse that hoe, and hold structure on the 5 minute. That's what's gonna happen. It's not happening. It's not happening at all. All right, cool. So, question is, do I take the breaker structure? Honestly, I feel like I've seen a lot. I've seen enough. 5 minute retrace, 5 minute inverse, retrace. We have an SMT, higher time frame SMT at the lows. Yeah, I'm gonna take this. About 180.
Order filled.
Okay. Order filled. 55520. Cool. I wish I clicked it right away, but I was changing my contract size. So let's see what we have here. I'd probably just look to go break even right here at this high. Let's see, because if I didn't enter on that breaker structure there, I would have entered on this 2 minute inversion. Let me put my stop actually. Go back to the 1 minute. What does it look like? See. 1 minute. Just put my stop. Uh-oh. Oh, did I just get manipulated? Oh my goodness. Hold on. Hold up. Damn, I wish I hit that button right away. I could have got filled a little lower. a lot of shit going on here, so hold on. This gap don't matter. This gap don't matter. That gap needs a little context. This 5 minute. Honestly, it's a good inverse, but that shit don't really. Oh fuck. Damn. Oh my god! As soon as I entered. Oh my god! I was liquidity. Just fucking rub the candle, fucking fuck it. Fuck it, rub the candle. Rub the candle. Go up. Fuck. Go back up. Fuck. Yo. My stop is right fucking there. Chill the hell out. Chill. Yo, chill. Delete this. This shit's giving me some fucking brain fog. Alright, can we like expand now? I would really appreciate that. Like, I feel like I just got like, can we just like maybe bloop a doop just go up? Please, 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 please. We didn't inverse this 2 minutes. Please. Oh, fuck. Oh, here we go. Come on. We just needed that last little move, right? Yo. You don't make sense. It ain't shit to get that bag and make the day shift. Anything to get them racks and make the day shift. Oh, fuck. So there's a 1 minute, a 5 minute, and a 2 minute gap all down here, right? And they respected that 5 minute gap. The only thing is like the farm, like now we're starting to build bearish structure, but like this draw is super solid. Like there's not really anything on the higher time frame to want me to go lower. So kind of by default, I'm still bullish, but like this price action, not even this price action, because like we're respecting bullish confluences. It's really just this fat ass candle up and candled right back down that's fucking scaring the shit out of me. Because on the 15 minutes, a big ass wick, and this is a big ass gap. So we have a big 15-minute gap here. We tried to push higher, it brought us back lower, and now we're trying to push higher again. And like on the 30-minute, there's a gap. On the 1 hour, there's not a gap yet, but you know what I mean. There might be shit. Like the more we chop here, the more I really don't like this. I'm not gonna lie. I was thinking, shit, we going up now. Like, it's expansion time. Fuck, we just made an SMT at the highs. On the 1 minute. NASDAQ, come the fuck on. Stop playing. Stop playing, NASDAQ. Stop playing. Bro. NASDAQ. Please. Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. Bro, just take out all these highs, please. Yo. Yo. Oh my god. Now are we just gonna flood all this fucking low resistance and fucking kill? Well. The thing is like, this doesn't look bearish. This still looks kind of bullish, like on the lower time frame here. On NASDAQ with ES, like correlating, like I'm still getting my bullish tingles. Even though we have ES looks like, bro, we can fucking take all this out in one fucking move if we just fucking sneeze wrong. That's what fucking ES looks like right now at this point. But I mean, I'm already in this trade. I'm not gonna like fucking be weird about it. But NASDAQ looks like it's gonna come take out this low or make an SMT at this low. And if it does that, my stop isn't necessarily protected. But if I move my stop all the way down here, I'm adding another fucking like... Yeah, I'm adding like a few $100s of risk just by doing that. So it's like, fuck. Yeah, that's like $250 extra of risk. I'm gonna move it. Never mind. Put it back where it's at. Yo, I'm a bitch. I'm a stupid bitch. Yo, let's go. Edge my stop twice. Fucking freaking me out, yo. I knew we were going up, bro. I'm not playing that. I wasn't about to let this market fucking stop me out and then go right to my TP. Fuck that. I was about to get fucking pissed. Alright, let's see what we do from here, just because now I'm definitely, my stop is here. If we come back down after taking out this high and come back down, then it's like, alright, bro. You were just meant to lose today. This shit's not bullish then. But we just took out all of this liquidity. There's no SMT at the highs. There is a lot of low resistance below, so if we try to set up bullish or bearish, should I go break even? I did say I was going to go break even. I'm going to wait. 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 Yeah, because we reacted so quick. This is just a, like, this is a 1 minute candle. So let's just wait. Let's not do too much, guys. Let's just hold for here for a second and just chill the fuck out, guys. Let's, everybody calm the fuck down. Everybody calm the fuck down, guys. Chill out. Yeah, break even. I want to break even this. I don't think we're going to come back down all the way. Doesn't make any sense. Oh, shit. Big doji. Big doji. Nah, we're going up. I mean, they're trying to play. Honestly, I'm just confident we're going back up there. Like, I'm not even... Maybe I won't even go break even. No, I will. I'm going to take my risk off the table. Or maybe not. We're heading back down. Decisions. Alright, I'm at break even. Alright, so my risk is off the table. Yeah, everybody just calm the fuck down. just calm down. Let's just calm down. Yo. Roommate's back. Tell him fucking wait. I got money to make. Nah, but like this trade is there's a lot going in. Like I feel like we don't go down. Like I feel like we can't just because internal external. Like we rebalance to internal liquidity. Now we're looking for this external, and this shit's mad juicy, yo. These Asia highs and London highs stacked together is so juicy, as well as even like these highs, like everything here. Oh shit. Sorry, I'm looking at the other monitor. I see we're starting to come back down like this. Uh-oh. Maybe we can just come back down and just fucking stop me out at break even. It's possible, but like, why would we do that? Don't do me like that. What a roller coaster, guys. What a roller coaster. Day and night. Fuck. I toss and turn. I keep this in my mind. We gotta rub the candles again. That's what's gonna help us. Come on, go up. Rub this shit. Rub this shit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Does that work, guys? Oh shit. Yo, I blew it the wrong way. Back to the rubbing. Rubbing works. Yo, stop. I don't want to see any more red candles, bro. Man. Way up. We did just create a 1 minute gap and inverse it like right away. Is that something? Oh, we don't care about that. Oh, okay. What is going on here? We're just like taking our time, just like fucking. We're taking all fucking day here. What's all this fucking news for if we ain't even fucking moving, brother? What's the fuck is going on? Why the like, bro? What the hell is this fucking chop, bro? All this damn news and it's still this fucking chop. If y'all don't fucking expand to London Asian highs now. Right now, mister. I need you to expand right now. Imagine getting in on like the 30-second inversion though down here. That shit would have been insane. Cause I'm pretty sure that shit was like right here. Like at like this, like right around here. Stop at the low. Super RR. But you're shitting your pants all through. Well, probably not. You probably just put your stop at break even after you take out this high, and you're chilling. You're like, yeah, if it goes against me break even, I'm good. I don't give a fuck. Or you just close. Like I would probably. Yeah, I mean, I would probably put my stop to break even here, and then after we like chop once, chop twice, I'd be like, okay, that's kind of weird. And then I'll probably take partials like here after we took out this high, just in case you want to chop more, or just I might have taken partials like here or somewhere in here maybe, I don't know. Take some fucking partials. That's what I might do right here. After we take this high, but like I mean, are we making SMT or anything? It's like, why are we not just going up? Like, fuck. I get it, this, like, we made this 15-minute gap, but like, can we stop fucking playing? Like, we give a fuck? Like, we don't give a fuck about this gap. Can we stop acting? Like, ES is already at damn near at the top, bro. Why is NASDAQ the one that's lower, bro? NASDAQ got the high time frame SMTZ, bro. Market is not acting like it wants to go somewhere, bro. Oh. The thing is, I kind of want to take partials at this high. So I kind of want to take off, like I have 5 contracts per account in right now. I ended it with 5 contracts. I kind of just want to take 1 contract off here. But that kind of makes me a pussy, doesn't it? Like, you know, like I know secure some profits, whatever. But then when I hit full TP up here, like if this was a take profit level, maybe, but the reason why I'm taking profit is just because I'm a bitch. Right? I mean, I'm gonna wait because if we're closing this hourly down here on NASDAQ and we create the hourly gap, that's different. That would suck. Oh, okay, so we swept those highs. ES. We're making an SMT. Oh, shit. Okay. We are making an SMT. shit. Maybe I should have taken some partials. This big ass doji. I really just want to wait for what we're gonna do with this hourly, because it doesn't make any sense for us to go down at all. So I'm not really like worried, but you know, you never know what's gonna happen. It's the market. It's the market. You never know. Fuck, this isn't looking too good. Not looking too good for the old chap right here. Floating in profit, but we're acting like we're not trying to deliver. You are respecting this 1 minute gap right here though. Cardo that we don't have on we don't got that shit on ES. Nasdaqerson. Go to my take profit. Alright. Go to your room now. Cause I'm at I think I am gonna put a sell limit here. So this will give me $100 per account. Man, fucking $100, bro. Fuck $100. I want my trade idea to be right. Fuck the money. I can make money anytime. Plus it wouldn't have got hit. See if we flip up though. Yeah, we're getting close to 11 o'clock too. Give the chart a little back massage right here. Maybe I just gotta show it where to go. There you go, market. There you go. There you go, NASDAQ. Now that I gave you a little stencil, you know, you can do that for me. Actually, more probably like this, like only a few candles. Like, that's all I need. Fucking tell it what to do. Sometimes you just gotta tell them what to do, bro. That ass. Yo, ES is lost. Look at these fucking dojis. ES doesn't know what the fuck is going on. ES is like, fuck, I'm just here for the ride, bro. Fuck, you're going the wrong fucking way, bro. I gotta put the fucking line under you so that, hey. Stop that. Stop that. Take your ass up. Rub that jump. Yeah, we are just not moving. And now we're just moving back down. Like, that sucks. We had all that news today and we're not expanding. Yeah, I mean, we're just going down super slow. They're going up slow. We had like a bunch of dojis up here after we took this one. I mean, I guess it's kind of obvious, but fuck. That sucks. Oh, is it SMT time? Hold on. Uh-oh. We just took out this low. And ES did not. Hold up. And now we're starting to turn into a doji. Well, we got 5 minutes till fucking 11 o'clock, so I'm looking to, like, 11 o'clock is usually when I'm looking to, like, close the trade out. Like, I don't want to hold through lunch. But, like, if we're expanding, I'll let us go. Oh, but if we're just going to take me out of break even before that, that would fucking be fucking amazing. Wouldn't it? Wow. $845.25. $845.25. So ES came down and made fucking equal lows here. NASDAQ fucking did not take out these lows. So, and now we're going up. Oh. Maybe not. Oh, I hope so. Please, just go up. Just go up, actually. Just don't even, like, worry about the bullshit. Just go up, bro. Don't worry about the bullshit. Don't do none of that bullshit. Stop. Just... You know, just like a straight... You know? Is that what we're getting into?
Stop filled.
Fuck. Stop that break even. Well. That's that. That is that. Yeah, should have been done around here, to be honest. I wasn't really like, I was really just focusing up here, and I really wanted these highs. But in the end of the day, like, you see all this chop. We did start to expand, then we just started chopping again. Then we created an SMT here. And if you just look at the candlesticks, you can see how low volume it gets, especially after we take this high. So we're already slowing down coming up to this high. And then we just start to slow down, slow. We're going down, and then we're down. Like, I should have, I could have closed out a little early. Fuck, bro. I want to re-enter this, but I'm not going to. This is gonna chill out. Let's go. Oh. Let's fucking go, dude. So, no profits. I mean. Oh, actually. Oh my god, guys. $7.50. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, wait, never mind. Maybe we lost $2. I think we, like, the commission was higher than our shit, so we ended up, like, losing, like, $2. Whatever. Alright, well, I mean, that's that. It's 11 now, so no more trades for me. This is the trade of the day. Bias was just super bullish with these equal highs above. We did have this big 15-minute gap, so honestly, it would have been really nice to get in on should have upgraded while there was like a Black Friday shit, honestly. But whatever. I don't give a fuck. There was a 30-second down here. It would have been nice to be able to get into there. Then the trade management would have been a lot better. I would have been able to end in some profit. But we did end up getting in here after seeing us retrace to this 5-minute gap. We also had an high time frame SMT at these lows pushing us up. A lot of chop, some sweeps. Boom, 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 boom. Entered here. Stop got edged. Break even got edged. So I really, like, honestly, sometimes you just gotta respect what's going on in front of your face. And now that it barely took me out, now we're gonna expand to my take profit and fucking, I'm gonna kill myself. But that's okay. I don't really care. It is what it is. I didn't lose no money, so it's like, at the end of the day, I'm really chilling. Big facts. This is a whole bunch of fucking chop. I could have easily got stopped out at one of these lows or something like that and been pissed. So, good on me, I guess. Shout out to the gang. Shout out to the market. For real. Is there anything else? I mean, let me actually show you guys the 30-second. This is the trade of 8. Even though trade of 8 is mad confusing to look at, I know. But seconds. 30 seconds. Down here. So yeah, this was the 953. I mean, it was right before the macro, so it's kind of iffy, but right here, boom, entry right here at 954. Yeah, so the 954 candle would have been the entry, which is this one. Yep. So we would have entered right here, stop at the low. Take profit at the high. After I took out this high right here would have been my break even. So break even after taking out this high, we wouldn't have got stopped out. And then even that's 3.15. So if I risk 500, if I took profits at, let me see if I took profits at this high, well, how much would it be? That's a 1.42, so that's $750 right there per account if I took profit at this high. Cool. Yeah, now we're expanding out, bro. I'm gonna fucking kill somebody. It's annoying. That is annoying, bro. No way. No way. I'm not. I know I'd be mad at myself if I took another trade. So I'm not going to trade. I'm just going to turn off the recording and fucking, let me just do this. Remove all drawings, remove all drawings. Shout out to today, the trading day. Let me go. Let me show you my TradeZella. Open it over here. Let's show the TradeZella just so I can show that I'm not capping. One trade, $0. Open. Hold on. Yeah, probably updated last before I yeah, cool. Just because we resync. Yeah, I lost fucking $2. Where? $2. I lost $2. Let me put this in here. Oh my god, I would still be in this fucking trade if I got filled earlier, if I wasn't fucking slow as shit at pushing that fucking button. Oh my god, we're reacting. Ah! Yo, whatever, dude. Whatever, dude. Whatever, dude. Do 15-minute. Yeah. Cool. So we had London and Asia up here. We mainly took this trade off of this 5-minute. Cool. So that's a 5-minute. We had a high time frame SMT right here. Why is everything the wrong colors? So we got a high time frame SMT. Can I look on 30-second on here? Nah, you can't. No 30-second on TradeZella, but enter at the 5-minute. Should have been entry. Should have been here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Maybe I should buy. Nah, because break even's more about your profit anyway, instead of like fucking. Yeah, fucking, I hope everybody that fucking re-entered here and FOMO'd out gets fucking shitted on. Fucking fuck you guys. Fuck you. Fuck you, man. Fuck you. Fucking edge my stop 3 times is insane, dude. Meant to get in right here. Stop at the low right here. Or actually cancel that. I'm gonna do a line like this. Perfect. Save as SNT, and then I'm gonna change the settings right now. Right even. Cool. That's the trade for today. 5-minute gap. Started pushing out of it. We got this breaker structure. Entered on the breaker structure right here. 1 minute. Breaker structure off of this candle. Structure. Cool. Cool. TP was at these highs. Yeah, but I don't really mind getting stopped out because of the time. Honestly, it was already 11 anyway, so I would have had to close out. But I wish I could have got, like, fuck, I was looking at that shit being 300 in profit. I should have just fucking taken my fucking $300 on there. I could have had $100 on my account, but it's like, fuck is $100 gonna do me? I gotta make 3K profit target, bro. I gotta start. Oh my god, should I risk more? If I really see like an A+++ trade in the few days coming up, or just like in the future, I think I'm gonna up my risk a little bit. So I'll use, like, I think I'll just do a little bit of discretionary risk. Because even though flat 500 risk is fine, and if this hit on 500 risk, this would have been crazy, right? 3.06. So that means I would have made $1,500. I would have made the fucking max you can make in one day. So this is fine. But I think if I'm seeing like an A++, 1-to-1 or 1-to-1.5, I think I'm gonna take that, and I'm gonna put a little extra risk on it, just because I want to pass this thing, you know. Cause as much as I want to like be consistent and prove all that, like, I'm not doing this for fun, you know. Like, at the end of the day, I do want to make money, so I want to be consistent on Express or somewhere where I can take payouts on, not necessarily just barely profitable or, you know, whatever on a fucking evaluation. But we're getting there. I mean, if I had fucking taken those trades yesterday, I wouldn't be fucking still at 53 or 52. I would be at fucking, I would be $1,000 up. So, I mean, that's it. Because this is the, let me see if you know. Yeah, these trades from yesterday that were fucking obvious as fuck, but the market was just moving, and I didn't get in quick enough. I wasn't paying fucking attention like a fucking retard. Sorry, I shouldn't say that. Like a fucking idiot. But yeah, these shits were so fucking obvious. Holy fuck. Yo, I'm fucking special. These shits were fucking obvious. Fucking 10:40, I was fucking falling asleep. 10:30, I was fucking at the end of my marbles. I gotta realize, like, fuck, you have the whole trading day, bro. Sometimes your trades will only take a minute to play out, and they'll give you a chance to get in only 1 minute. You don't have forever to get in. But oh fuck yeah, whoever tried to go long after I got stopped out at break even just got fucked. Fuck yeah, fuck all you guys. All right, y'all. I appreciate it. I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. Have a good day. Don't let nobody bring you down. You know what I'm saying? Shit's gonna happen. Life's gonna life. At the end of the day, day's gonna end, y'all. So just remember, if you like this video, like. If you don't like it, dislike it. If you want to see my face again, subscribe, bro. Thank you.